Today is farm sale day. Hey Sam, show us what you have on sale today. There are a lot of fruits and vegetables to choose from. Sam, do you have any apples? Of course you do. Sam has a pack that contains 10 apples and 5 more apples. Ah, here's the first customer. He wants 2 apples. After giving away 2 apples, how many apples are left with Sam? He has a pack of 10 and 3 more apples. Here's the next customer. Oh, it's Sela. She wants 6 apples. Sam has 3 loose apples left. So what will he do now? He will open the pack of 10 and borrow some from it. How many apples should he borrow to get 6 apples? If you said 3, you are correct. Sam now gives 6 apples to Sela. After giving 6 apples to Sela, how many apples are left with Sam? There were 10 plus 3 apples. That makes 13 apples. Then, regrouping 10, we have 7 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. If we take 6 away, we are left with 7. So, 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Therefore, if Sam has 13 apples and 6 apples are taken away, then 7 apples are left with Sam. Aha! Lovely looking lemons, Sam. How many have you got? Sam has a pack of 10 lemons and 5 more lemons. That makes 15 lemons in all. If we take 6 lemons from Sam, then how many lemons are left with him? To find the answer, we have to subtract 6 from 15. Let's do that by regrouping. Let us regroup the lemons by adding the pack of 10 lemons with the 5 loose lemons. Now, let us take away 6 lemons from the new group of 15 lemons. Next, let us count the lemons left with Sam. The number is 9. So, 15 minus 6 is 9. Therefore, if Sam has 15 lemons and we take away 6 lemons, then 9 lemons are left with Sam. Now, let's take some bananas. How many bananas have you got, Sam? Sam has a bunch of 10 bananas and 4 more bananas. How many bananas does that make in all? If you said 14 bananas, you are absolutely correct. Let's take away 9 bananas from Sam. How many bananas are left with him? To find the answer, we have to subtract 9 from 14. Let's do that by regrouping. Let's add the bunch of 10 bananas with the 4 loose ones. Now, let us take away 9 bananas from the new group of 14 ones. So, how many bananas are left? 14 minus 9 is 5. Therefore, if Sam has 14 bananas and we take away 9, then 5 bananas are left with Sam. So you see, fruits and vegetables not only make you healthy, but they also provide a fun way to learn mathematics. See you again soon.